In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage clients in Go High Level. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log in, find the right settings, and tailor what your clients can see so their experience stays simple and focused. Start by opening your browser and searching for Go High Level. When the results appear, click the official website. A quick tip: make sure the URL looks correct and you recognize the brand's design so you know you're in the right place. On the home page, look for the option to log into the app and click it. If you're already signed in on that browser, you might be taken straight in. Otherwise, you'll land on the login screen. Here you can enter your email and password, or choose to sign in with Google if that's how your account is set up. Use whatever method your agency prefers. If you use multi-factor authentication, have your verification method ready so you can get in smoothly. Once you're successfully logged in, you should land in the agency view. This is the top-level area where administrators manage accounts, users, and overall settings. From here, head to Settings. You'll typically find a gear icon or a settings link in the sidebar. Click that to open the configuration panel. Inside Settings, select Team. This section lists the users associated with your agency account: team members, clients, or anyone you've invited to collaborate. Find the user you want to adjust. To edit their access, click the small edit icon that sits next to the trash icon. Be careful not to choose the trash can unless you intend to remove that user entirely. In the user editor, go to Roles and Permissions. This is where you control what the user can see and do inside Go High Level. Think about the minimal set of features this person truly needs. If they're a client who only needs to view conversations and appointments, you can turn off anything that adds unnecessary complexity. For example, you might hide the Opportunities tab or Workflows if they won't be building automations. Keeping their view streamlined prevents confusion, reduces support requests, and helps them focus on the tasks that matter most. After you've toggled off the features they don't need, click Save. Give it a moment to apply. A quick best practice is to let the user know what changed and why, so expectations are clear. You can always come back and adjust permissions as their role evolves. That's it. You searched for Go High Level, logged in, opened Agency View, navigated to Settings and Team, edited the user, refined their roles and permissions, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.